you can't find this in the store.
At the end of this tutorial, you'll have a set of wine flutes that will make any occasion extra glamorous. Whether it's a girl's night in, a special celebration, or even just a cozy evening by yourself, these wine flutes will definitely make a statement.
Girl, we are done.
I hope you enjoyed learning the techniques and tricks to bling out your own wine flutes using glass rhinestones from Crown Crystals, of course, and our trusty companion, Krystal Glaze glue. I have plenty more rhinestone art projects and tutorials coming your way. Until next time, stay fab and sparkle on, darling.